That is. I'm the inventor of it.
Is that right?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
I call it a solar meditation bow.
No kidding. I think I've done it probably with you before, because I remember doing it like a year ago. You're probably the only guy that has it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I remember coming to the market a year ago and you had it.
Have the rest of you seen this?
These guys probably have never done this.
Have you guys seen this?
Yeah, you did it for me
Have you
before.
done
What
it?
is it? What is it?
Solar meditation
Do I hold
bow.
one? Do I hold one?
You can touch it if you want, or hold it.
Yeah, hold them both.
Would you like a demonstration of it?
Yeah, I'll hold one and you hold the other one.
Here, face the sun. Okay. Now, does anyone want to try it
Take the
with them?
sunglasses off and just look into the sun.
With your eyes closed.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you're not epileptic, are you? Now,
Want to get a light show? Okay, well, he's doing
should I give him the plain or the sparkle?
Give him the sparkle, man.
Okay.
Jazz him up.
Hey, just
what's with the sparkle?
it's really bright, even my eyes are closed.
Who in this park should we talk to?
Do you know anybody
whoever
who's-
looks like the type.
Well, everybody does.
So where do we buy from
Well,
you?
whoever also looks like the type.
Do you know anyone
You
else
guys
that
talk to
might have
everybody.
it?
The coffeeman looks the type.
You know everybody on this island looks like the type, right?
Well,
Yeah, that's where
then
You
that's
look like the type.
a good thing.
Yeah, no recommendations
Sparkles?
there.
Not that I can really say or see,
Really?
but whoever looks cool, whoever you feel like asking, I'd say ask.
We've already asked.
You
Like,
don't
I asked the guy who was
people,
selling
and it's been
garlic. He
super
said no, but I think he thought I was actually trying to buy mushrooms. Anyway, because if he had garlic.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay,
Sparkles, right?
sparkles. And you're not epileptic, are you?
I'm not.
Okay.
I don't have any.
Have you ever actually had an epileptic?
Nope. Well, but I always ask you.
I'm glad you asked. It's like, it's actually more responsible that way.
Sure. Now, tilt your head back slightly. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Now, this is going to be a demonstration of the pure nature of the mind in seldom seen, and it is going to verge on the artistic, the meditative, and the highly psychedelic. And you're welcome to offer a donation if you want.
So you're supposed to look now?
Oh, you keep your eyes closed. It's working, trust me. I'm getting it in 4 holes right now.
Are
2
you
ears, 2
getting
eyes.
checkerboard?
2 ears and 2 eyes. I got.
Erica got it in 4 holes one time. I was so mad. But yeah,
2 black guys.
I saw the video.
I had some colors now.
Mortified.
Now it's like snakes. Now it's some colors.
Yeah, but somebody wants to make $5.
So that's just spinning on its own, eh? Would you wind it up? Oh, he's talking. He's like. That was good.
Amazing, eh?
It is really cool. And yeah, sparkles are definitely the way to go, man. You don't want to underdo it.
Well, this will work just as equal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Even without
I'll
these
show
little
you.
guys inside?
I won't play the didgeridoo this time. I'll just give you a little bit of this.
Give me one quick look at it.